23rd question from Digital SAT Test 2. Module 2 is an easier set of reading and writing questions. When you see this question about conventions in English, let's look at the answer choices first. Ask yourself questions based on the punctuation. Here we've got verbs in the answer choices. So we've got to check for tense, subject, verb, agreement. Check for subject, verb, agreement. Read with it in front of each verb. It works in front of each verb, so it must be checking verb tense. Earlier in the sentence, you want to see the verbs. We've got Joseph VcVicker was struggling, and then we also have Kay Zufall advised and repurposed the company's product. So we've got past tense verbs in the sentence, so it looks like it's going to be past tense. In addition, Zufall suggested selling product under child-friendly name. Works. See the following video, including why the wrong answer is wrong. Check out the videos above this on the playlist. I've been Mr. Have a great day.